So today we're at the Riverton DI. Zeb is without me. I just was picking up milk paint and thought maybe they have some junk here. So I'm gonna take you along and we'll see what I find in the store. So right away, I'm seeing all of these frames. They're a pretty good price. I don't love the hot pink, but I think that if I paint them, that they could look pretty good. So I found these plates. I think they're Italian. They're not especially old. Let's see what they say on the back. Made in Japan, ideal iron stoneware. I'm gonna pick these up. I spy a rolling pin. Haven't got one of those in a while. So I think somebody was a Boyd's bear collector. Look at all these. So many. Do people still collect these? I'm not gonna pick them up just because I have a ton of collectibles, but there are a lot here. I haven't picked up Milk Class in a while, but for $2, I think I'm gonna try this one out. So the last time I was here, I saw these and passed on them, but then I sold every single pot in the shop. They're kind of not super cute, but for $1.50, if I paint them up, I think I can make them look a lot better and we'll have some pots for the shop. All right, so we said we weren't gonna get any more clocks, but look at that. It's $35. I don't know, I'm gonna have to think about it. All right, so I'm gonna pass on that clock because it was $35 and it was broken and she was topless. So I'm just gonna check out the woods and see if there's anything good here. I'm on the fence, but I think if these are a decent price, I'll get these. These are $4. I'm gonna pass because I think they need a paint job and they're not real wood. So this is super weird. It's from somebody's wedding. Either they didn't like it or it didn't last, but I'm thinking that with a new paint job, it could be pretty cute. How much is it? $3. I'm gonna pick this up. I'm thinking new paint, maybe a cute little mold on the front, and it's a good size. It'll be good for spring. We're almost too late for Valentine's Day, but in the shop, people are still shopping for it, and $1.50. I'm gonna take this home. These are fun pots. $3 each, and there's 2 of them, so I think I'll pick them up and give them a fun paint job. I saw this from across the room. I'm hoping it's only $5. That's cute. I'm gonna pick that up. So here's my cart this far. I think so far I've done pretty good, except for I told Zeb I was getting little things, and that's rather large. But everything else I think falls in the smalls category. We'll see what else I can find. So I'm looking for pots, especially for planting, but also for floral. These caught my eye. They're only $1. Hot glue, but I think I could take that off with a heat gun, and I like this scalloped top. I do think I'm gonna paint them, but they are cute. So they always organize things by season here, and I think they do a really good job. I am gonna get this mug, maybe not to sell, but I think Odelia would love it. Do you wanna know how much I love you? Look at the inside. This much. 75 cents. I think it's worth it. All right, this is probably my last find. It's just a bear cake mold, but it's like a copper color, and I think it'd be cute for decor. So I found this on the cart. These are the carts they bring out, and so you always want to check them first because nobody's kind of been through them. It is a Disney Mary Poppins mug, and that's gonna be super cute in the shop. Oh no, it's got a chip. I guess I'll put it back. So I'm not buying any furniture right now, but one of the things that our Deseret Industries thrift stores are known for is they have tonnage. So if you're ever in Utah, definitely, if you need furniture, stop by Deseret Industries. All right, so I'm done. The snow is coming down, but I spent under $50 for this entire cart, and I'm feeling pretty good about that. Here's a little scene of the wet snow situation happening here. You can't see the mountains, but you can see lots of clouds and snow. So now I have to organize my boxes to fit my junk in. I actually just came this way to go get milk paint from the milk paint sale, but I stopped to thrift a little bit. If you like videos like this, be sure to comment below. Let me know what your favorite thing was. Give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Jami Ray Vintage for more DIY and thrifting. And everything fits.